Hey guys, welcome to Aire Apartments. I'm Lockie, the CA on the project. We've got a 1,500 square metre site here, 3 basements down and then 12 floors up, 40 apartments between them, with the top 2 floors being full 4 penthouses. We're getting through the excavation quite well here. As you can see, we're down at basement 3 subgrade at the back of the site, working our way through. Bracing is going to go in the next couple of weeks, and then expecting to be down at the subgrade across the whole site early to mid-December. Really excited to see what's to come for this project. Keen to pour the first slabs early next year and go through the building, and the apartments are going to be pretty special once we get to the top.
Baby.